I'm Danielle Hale, Chief Economist for Realtor.com, and here's what you need to know. As we move into October and temperatures dip, the latest employment data show that the jobs market is not cooling off. Unemployment dropped in September to 3.5% as companies added 263,000 jobs to payrolls. Hourly wages rose by a higher than normal amount, but still failed to keep up with inflation. On the whole, the report shows a still robust jobs market that would normally be cheered, but in today's economy, the data tell us that the Fed still has further to go to slow activity and rein in inflation. Jobless claims ticked up somewhat this week, but are still consistent with a strong labor market. The one potential counterpoint came from August data showing that there were 1.1 million fewer job openings than in July, but open positions continue to far outmatch the number of unemployed workers. Other economic data was similarly mixed. U.S. new vehicle sales ticked up from last month and last year, but remain well below pre-pandemic pace. Meanwhile, both manufacturing and non-manufacturing sectors are still growing, but the data highlight potential risks ahead for both sectors. With the divergent array of possibilities on the economic horizon, we've seen more volatility in financial markets. This has led to sharp ups and downs in recent mortgage rates. Fortunately for home shoppers, this week was a modest down week, with mortgage rates dipping somewhat. Still, mortgage rates are more than double their year-ago level, creating a big hurdle for hopeful homebuyers. The Realtor.com Weekly Housing Trends Report covers this week that's normally the best time to buy a home, thanks to a seasonal slowdown in demand. With home price growth holding steady, data suggests that this week shoppers saw the typical seasonal price break and extra time on market. They also enjoyed a growing number of homes available for sale. However, fewer homes were just listed this week compared to 1 year ago. For shoppers, high costs and a mixed economic outlook mean it's more important than ever to set a budget and stick to it. And sellers would do well to keep that in mind. You'll find the details along with our housing data for download at Realtor.com/research, and follow us on Twitter for real-time updates.